Hey guys, welcome back to another crypto video. One question that always comes to mind when looking at cryptocurrencies is, when are they going to make me rich? Well, today we have a technical analysis video for you guys on the price of XRP. We're going to be looking at what's going to happen in the near future here. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes and just my opinion, but I think it will be fun. Also, guys, don't forget that we are doing a $250 giveaway worth of XRP. All you have to do to enter is make sure this video hits 750 likes within 24 hours. That's the requirements, and all you have to do to enter is press the like button on this video just so it goes there. Comment something down below because we pick somebody from there, and have the notification bell on so you know when I upload another news video. Also, guys, don't forget to follow my second channel. It's called Dusty. Make sure you are subscribed to that. Now, for the longest time, people have been speculating about the XRP price. Of course, as we do with any financial instrument. But with XRP, I always see something special, as there are just countless articles posted about the price of XRP on a daily basis. It's just been insane how much support this coin has been getting, and it's also relatively fun, because, yeah, we can always cover them then. But also, one thing I really have to mention is that 2 days ago, the price of XRP already hit 50 cents, and now many analysts are speculating about whether this was either a bubble or if the price is just going to decline from now or whatever is going to happen. Maybe we hit 50 cents, couldn't breach, and now we're going to go lower to retrace. Tons of speculation going about, but I'll give you guys a little bit of a roundup here because we got a lot of articles talking about some different things. Alright guys, so I need to turn that sound off real quick. There we go. First article in. Ripple price, XRP to USD, trimmed gains but testing crucial support. Ripple price rallied significantly above 45 cents and 50 cent resistances against the US dollar. So I find that funny. They're saying here that Ripple price rallied significantly above that. I mean, we did rally straight through 45, 48, right? We were first looking at a very good supply zone at 45 to 48 cents and definitely also resistance, which of course holds the same thing. But we broke just right past that. It was no effort whatsoever. But then at 50 cents, which is pretty obvious as I already noted, it just slightly hit it, just gave it a little love tap, you know, a little bit like that. I don't know exactly the time that it hit 50 cents. It should be right here somewhere. I guess it's not recorded because it was such a small low move. But I don't know why they're saying that we rallied significantly past 50, because the price traded as high as 50.87, which is, again, not where I don't think we saw it at 50.87, because that looks a little bit too high for my memory, but it could have been. Although in that case, you know, it was only 1 minute, I think, that it was above there. The price traded as high as 50.87 before started a sharp downside correction. There was a break below a key bullish trend line with support near 46.50 on the hourly chart of XRP to USD. Right now we are at 46.55, so we're still above that. And both Ethereum and Bitcoin also corrected lower and are trading in a range. Now, what is funny is that at first, everybody was just saying like, okay, Bitcoin is going down, so XRP is going down as well from 50 cents, right? No weird things going on. But right now, if we're looking at the charts, XRP is actually a little bit more down than Bitcoin is, because Bitcoin is almost at 11,000 again, and XRP is actually nowhere near 50 cents. They're still almost 8% off from that mark. Here's some more TA. So let's quickly look down a little bit. All right. So recently there was a sharp upward move in the Ripple price above the key 45 cent resistance, and the XRP to USD pair gained strength and rallied above 48 and 49.50 resistance. All right, these were all passed with a breeze, you know, easy, simply. There was also a close above 45 and the 100 hourly. Okay, that's weird. The 100 SMA on the hourly chart. Finally, the price rallied above the 50 cent resistance and traded at a new monthly high at 50.87. I think it was actually a 7-month high, wasn't it? Since it was all the way back in November that it finally hit 50 cents. It could have been, though, that within these last months, you know, there was 1 second of it hitting 50 cents, but I just don't remember it happening. So, no, it couldn't have been. Let's see this quarter. Nah, I definitely could not have been above 50 cents. No peak is looking remotely close. Maybe earlier in the year. You see, the only point where I'm thinking it gets close to 50 cents is all the way back here in November. I think November 18th was the last time that we hit it. Must be so. Right. And a few days ago, we were looking really good. But yeah, moving forward. However, Ripple failed to stay in a positive zone and recently declined heavily below 50 cents. There was a break below a key bullish trend line with support near 46.50. And moreover, there was a break below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level from the last wave from 42.16 low to the 50.87 high. Yeah, I guess we don't have the 50 anymore to draw this. So it would actually be a little bit difficult. We don't have the 50 level, the 50.87 in any of the charts. We might be able to view it on TradingView, but I don't have it open right now. And it is now trading nicely over here. The pair even broke the 45.50 level, but the 4500 support and the 100 SMA acted as strong supports. Yeah, I don't think we'll actually break below 45 cents in the shorter term here. Reason for that being is that there's so much support at 45 cents. We could have gone below it for just a little bit today, even though the 24-hour low is only 45 cents. Could have been that we broke just significantly below it, but I think 45.50 is going to hold very, very strong, as we already see here, and most likely will hold on for quite a while. Ripple traded, or XRP traded close to the 76.4% Fibonacci retracement level from the last wave from the 42.16 high to the 50.87 or low to high. It is now trading nicely above 45 cents and the 100 SMA. On the upside, an initial resistance is near 46.20 and 46.50. We're above both of those, so that's also rendered kind of useless. And going below that will most likely not happen, but the next major hurdle is going to be near 48.20, so we're going to be really looking out for that. Many analysts are predicting the price to go further down, though, after one low break to the upside, exactly as they're saying right there. Ripple price analysis, XRP to USD stays under pressure after sharp sell-off on Monday. It's literally what happened. Ripple's market value has settled at 19.4 billion, while the trading volume settled at 2.1 billion. I think that's completely crazy for the price to hit, for the market cap to hit, I think it was above 20 billion at one point yesterday, and for the volume to be above 2 billion. I think that's completely insane. Right now we're at 1.7 billion, but above $2 billion for volume for XRP? That's insane, guys. That's completely insane. So, yeah, moving forward though, Ripple price analysis, XRP breaks above 46 cents, 50 cents next, and I think, guys, that if we go above 48, we might, or like the chance of getting to 50 cents is ridiculously high, all right? The price going, if we're going to go to 48 cents, to go into 50 is just going to be ridiculously simple. Like we just saw previous time, it broke past 45, broke past 48, broke past 50 with ease. The only problem is really getting past that 48 or really, getting out of this little zone that we're in right now. It's a little bit harder to explain. The thing I didn't expect to happen, though, is actually to stay above 46.50. Since we are holding quite strong to that right now, there might just be a slower uptrend coming here. So we're just going to go slowly but surely above. Since BTC is also doing good, the chance of really continuing this momentum is relatively high and relatively strong. So yeah, Ripple price analysis, 23rd of June 2019. Can XRP price hold the gains? Again, then, guys, if you're asking yourself if XRP can hold the gains, this is most likely not the right pair for you. Most likely not the right crypto. The chance of holding these gains is ridiculously high. The only reason that these gains can really get lost or fail or anything like that is if BTC decides to really sell off hard. There's almost no chance that XRP is going to fail right now whilst BTC is doing good. Even though on the 24-hour and 1 hour, XRP is not excelling Bitcoin like we were speculating about yesterday, BTC is in an uptrend, BTC is doing good, and the chance of XRP or any of these other coins failing right now is ridiculously small. So make sure you just understand that XRP at this exact moment in time cannot fail. And I think that's one hell of a thing to feel for yourself right there. We can't fail. That feels amazing, right? This coin, it can only go one direction, and that is up. So it's a money-making machine. It's like a money printer right now. Ripple price analysis, 23rd of June. Can XRP price hold the gains? Just to quickly answer it again, yes, we can. All right, we're holding those gains. The support is definitely out there. It's definitely strong. XRP to USD one-day analysis shows that yesterday the pair surpassed 46-cent resistance and reached 48 cents. The higher resistance levels lie at 48 and 50, and if the bulls prevail these levels, 55.62 and 57.14. 55.62 is definitely a bigger level. We've talked about this multiple times. The lower level is 46, and below this is 44, 43, 42, 35, 40, and 39. Again, check your fibs if you really want to be sure. Analyst believes Ripple XRP price may surge to 55 cents right before it screams up to $1. And this is where I'm kind of debating. I think we really need to go past 56 cents first, right? That's a one for me. So 55.62, we got to breach that, not just, tap it, give it a love tap, but really breach it. Let's see where we go to 56 cents. And when the BTC movement is still on, when most likely Ethereum is still gaining as well, just for people's trust in the market. If these two coins are doing good, but most specifically, of course, BTC with a 60% dominance, XRP is going to skyrocket. All right, I'm having so much faith. Even if XRP broke past 50 cents with a little bit more momentum, with a little bit more power, they broke aggressively, it could have been huge. The only problem is it didn't, but $1 is actually not that far off, as some of you guys are thinking. It's a ×2 gain, but if you look at how quickly these coins did a ×2 just now, Bitcoin, how long did it take? Like 3 weeks? Maybe more? Like 3 weeks. I'm not saying 3 months. Not even, guys. I don't think it even took 3 months to go and double their price right now. Let's see this quarter. Let's see when BTC was at 5K for the last time. Here, even in April, right? Even in April. Okay, so the last moment we can count is about May 2nd. May 2nd. Here on May 2nd, we were at 5,500. So from May 2nd to June, that's 1 month and like 20 days, we doubled up the price of BTC. Since right now we're in an uptrend for BTC, of course BTC is doing good and all these other coins are doing good as well. What if we just shorten that by half? Let's say half of that. So that would be, instead of 52 days, around 26 days, which is 1 month, for XRP to double up in price again. Would that be bad? I definitely don't think so. That would be, make it to $1.10-ish cents. That would be insane, guys. And it's way closer than some people are even thinking about. The Cryptomist said the 48 cents from yesterday post holding as strong resistance thus far. We did wake up to 50 cents, but fell back to resistance. We may find a bit of ground before takeoff. Just be patient. Lobbies. XRP Trader's target is now 55 cents. Should have been buying the dips as we moved into accumulation advance. Let's go. And I'm pretty excited for that all. Top 3 price predictions: BTC, Ripple, Ethereum. Bitcoin has 40,000 inside while FOMO is back. As we said before, guys, FOMO kicked in when BTC hit 10K. A lot of FOMO came into the market. People were like, oh, what are these coins doing? I want them. I want these coins. And that's what really gives us some power here. If you just went long exactly from when BTC hit 10K, you'll be in a very good position right now. If we're going to go long exactly when XRP hits 50 cents, if you can find a good entry, most likely we're in a good position as well. Right now, you would probably be down like 10% if you had no leverage. But that's a small price to pay for salvation. Well, we could see the start of the biggest crypto bull run market in history this weekend. This weekend didn't really happen. Bitcoin is only 3 resistance lines away from 14,000, and XRP continues to sleep, although there are positive signs as well. A quick little sneeze right there, always healthy. In an early hour of Friday, this whole article, I just read it, is mostly technical analysis from a couple of days ago. This is actually not that relevant anymore, as most people did not predict the price to fall this sharply as it did. So, are we putting significance on it? I don't think it is really useful. The only thing it is useful for is actually looking again at all the resistances and supports to really show us or ourselves where the big hurdles lie. And 46.8 here, they're saying, is quite a big resistance. I've seen that multiple times come by as well. But the 24-hour high is still 48.50, so I don't know too much about that. And then, of course, one of the coolest articles out there, or coolest places to look for XRP news, Ripple Coin News with, will XRP hit 50 cents soon after surpassing 46? It's a very good theory. A lot of people are speculating on this, and even I am, myself. After surpassing 46, XRP is expected to target 50, as it is the nearest strong resistance level. The XRP enthusiasts are anticipating to see the price rise to up to $1 soon, and that's definitely going to be happening, guys. The 48 cents from yesterday's post holding as a strong resistance thus far. Again, that's really the case as well. We did wake up to 50 cents but fell back to resistance. We may find a bit of ground before takeoff. Just be patient. The 48 cents from yesterday post holding a strong resistance thus far. We did wake up to 50 cents and fell back to resistance. But guys, once we break 50 cents, $1 is really within our grasp. And then, of course, we're going to get going and going and going. And once this bull run really hits, there's no stopping it, guys. And then we're going to be rich. Hopefully, possibly, depending on how much XRP you have. But it's going to be great, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to follow my second channel. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody.